diverse beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new around here, hey, I'm Sandy. I make beauty content on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so you guys are notified whenever I upload a video. And of course, go hit me up on my Instagram and other socials. Everything is in the description box. Now, as you guys notice, I've probably have been gone for a little bit, you know, maybe like a month or so, but it's because I just wanted to take some time to focus on myself and my personal life and just relax and all that stuff. So I am back today finally with a different type of video on my channel, which is basically talking about my vision board. Of course, doing a vision board planner is a really great way to kind of put your thoughts out there, especially on things that you really want to like manifest for the year. The first thing that you should do when you are doing your vision board is that you need to plan it out. What do you want to do? You could either do like a Word document, you could write it down in a notebook, like make it simple, make it your style, which way your brain works. Just do it. So what I actually did is that I ended up getting this vision board planner, and this is actually from one of my friends. She recently uploaded this planner on her Etsy page, and when I looked at it, I thought, oh my god, this is perfect for me, because I feel like when I just write it down like in a notebook or write it down or type it out in like a Word document, I can't think of what I want to write. Like, it doesn't come out naturally and it doesn't come out clearly. But with my friend's vision board planner, I was like, okay, I could do this. And I actually really like it because she goes into like really good small details that I wouldn't really have thought of if I was just writing it down in a notebook. And she even goes into like details, like goal details for 3 years and 5 years. Like, if this is not really your type of format, you could always go into using a notebook and just writing down your thoughts, or maybe even typing it out, whatever works the best for you. And now that I basically wrote down everything that I want to manifest for this year, I'm going to basically make like a collage. And I've seen this a lot around Pinterest as well as YouTube, where people can basically save pictures and make a collage and print it out or frame it. And then I'm going to actually make this collage as my desktop, my wallpaper on my computer. That way I basically will see every time I log in into my computer. I did save a vision board kind of planner or inspiration board on my Pinterest. If you guys are interested, you can check it out. I'll put the link in the description box for you guys, and hopefully it helps you out. I basically just save anything that kind of really inspired me and that really just called out my goals and my desires for this year. So after you have all of your pictures, you basically want to download them and save them onto your computer. That way you can edit them or basically make it your style on how you want them to be. It's time to like make the collage, and you can make the collage pretty much using many different types of platforms. You can basically use your PowerPoint, Word document like a Microsoft Office, even using Canva or Photoshop. There's so many different programs online, as well as like PinkMonkey and iPicky. On Canva, I basically ended up actually using a template that I saw and I really liked, because it included kind of like a Polaroid images, as well as almost like scrap paper style. So I really like that, as well as like it has like a little bit of like some bulletin, and so I thought that would be like a perfect template to use. Let's dig in to my vision board collage. First, let's start off with basically the elephant in the room, which is my subscriber, I guess, count or numbers, subscriber numbers, and my views. I basically screenshotted my YouTube subscriber bar, but then I ended up just randomly finding different type of numbers of subscribers and views on YouTube that I kind of want to reach at one point on my channel. And I know that, you know, maybe 100k seems like a very drastic jump, especially compared to my current subscriber count. but I still want to be, you know, positive, and so that's why I put that number on my collage, and I'm really hoping that that comes true. And then of course next to it I basically have a picture of like a laptop and a notebook on a desk, and I just felt like this style is totally me. You know, I'm definitely trying to be a lot more organized this year, and I feel like I used to be very organized with my ideas and my thoughts and my planning, but then I moved to Korea and that kind of just went all down the drain just because I only focused on my job and I never really focused on myself and my goals and my ambitions in life. It just, I don't know, there's something about that picture that really just motivates me, and of course it correlates with the quote that I found that said, "I am deserving of everything I dream of." And I don't know, I love that quote. It really just resonates with me, and it's totally true. Like, I deserve everything that I dream of, and I feel like everyone else should think that way as well. You know, work hard and don't feel like because you can't reach a certain goal now that you will never reach that goal, because you will reach that goal if you just put yourself out there, put a lot of effort, and of course manifest yourself. After that, I do have a picture of a beautiful apartment or home in a big city like New York City, with the money next to it, and I decided to put, you know, a picture of money, not because like, oh, I want to get all that cash, like I want to be rich, you know, but more like I just want to bring prosperity in my life, financially, economically, and I do want to own my own apartment one day. So that's definitely something that I really want to do this year, or at least some very close to the near future, where I can have my own apartment, especially with like a beautiful view. I'm all about natural lighting and just sunlight coming into the apartment or to the house. We have another quote, and I thought this one was really good because it kind of focused on everything that's health. I feel like most people, when they think of health, they think of just like exercising, working out, eating healthy, but health is also mental health, emotional health, psychological health. All of those are really important as well. So this one kind of resonated with me, and it said, "Health is adding a level of intention to every area of your life." So that was a really cute quote. Love that. Definitely want to keep that as my, you know, inspiration. And then of course we have some travel pictures, because like everyone in the world, 2020 was not a year for us. It definitely was not a year of traveling. It was definitely just a year of staying home and eating and gaining weight and, you know, watching Netflix. And so I'm really hoping that by the second half of the year we'll be able to travel. I'm staying positive, and I really hope that I'm able to go to either New York City or LA for my birthday. It's definitely have been my dream to visit New York City or LA. I mean, LA has definitely been one of my top cities that I've been wanting to visit in the future, and hopefully I get that opportunity this year. So let's see. I really love how my collage turned out. I'm super happy about it. I'm happy that I chose that particular template just because it really did resonate with how I wanted my vision board to look like. And what I did basically is I decided to set this as my desktop wallpaper on my computer. And yeah, it looks actually really good. Now that we are basically talking about manifestation and goals and our vision board, I do want to talk a little bit more about my channel and the direction that I want my channel to go to. If you guys have been following me for a while, you guys know that of course I do make a lot of videos about Korean skincare as well as Korean makeup, and then of course I do dig into some lifestyle videos, and as well as hair videos about certain journeys that I've been going through with my hair. And of course these days I've been doing a lot more vlog style skincare videos, just so that you guys kind of get to know me a little bit more. But now that it's a new year and I'm trying to sort of direct my channel in a different like way. Of course, I still want to continue doing skincare videos on my channel. That's something that will never go away on my channel, just because I absolutely love doing skincare. I've learned so much about skincare, especially Korean skincare, while living in Korea, that I kind of, you know, want to of course continue that on my channel. But I do also want to start making a lot more lifestyle videos on my channel, just especially vlog styles, because I'm obsessed watching those type of like lifestyle vlog type of videos, and I really want to incorporate that more onto my channel. Now, if you guys remember, I did actually vlog on my channel a long time ago, but it was mostly Korea based vlogs. So they basically vlogs about Korea and like what I was doing in Korea, and you know, and like what I ate, what I did, etc, etc. But I actually stopped doing that type of video just because I realized that people were only watching my channel because I was talking about Korea, rather than, you know, them liking my channel and subscribing my channel because of me. And so that's also like something that I'm trying to redirect my channel, is basically brand my channel as me, brand my channel as, you know, Sandy's channel, rather than, oh, it's a Korean culture channel or it's a K-beauty channel. Just because I feel like the most successful channels definitely on YouTube are the channels that of course, you know, focuses on the content creator and their personality and just portraying themselves out there to people. Because I realize that I tend to gravitate towards a lot of YouTubers that I like their channel because of them, rather than like the content that they're making, which of course I subscribe because I love their content, you know, I love what they upload, I love their style of editing, all of that stuff. But of course I also follow them because I like the content creator themselves. I think that their personality is great, the personality that they portray in their videos is great. They seem like very like humble, all that stuff. So that is kind of what I also want to incorporate on my channel. And so if you guys kind of see a little bit of difference in my channel in the future, near future, that is why. And of course, I'm still going to be making skincare videos, but I'll definitely be talking about skincare in a different way. I feel like in the past, I definitely just did more review-based videos where I just kind of talked about the product and that's it, and I reviewed it. But I feel like in the near future, I definitely want to do lifestyle vlog videos where I do talk about skincare, but it's not technically a review video, if that makes sense. Now, I will be continuing to try to upload once a week, which is what I did back in 2020. I know that in the past I've been very sporadic with my uploads, but in 2020 I definitely made more of a routine where I uploaded once a week. Now, I didn't really have a specific day that I was uploading, but I was just uploading once a week, you know, that's kind of good enough. But this year I definitely want to upload a lot more frequently, and hopefully I can actually start a schedule where I'll upload on just certain days. That way you guys know when I am going to upload in a video, and hopefully help you guys out. And I really hope that this new direction kind of leads me into a better route for my channel, just because I've been doing YouTube for a very, very, very long time. Honestly, this is something that has been a struggle for me because I've been doing YouTube for so long, and eventually I started to compare myself to other content creators. You know, I had very negative thoughts a couple years ago because I realized, like, you know, all these content creators that started after I did, or that make similar content that I did, you know, were getting, you know, 300k, 400k on their channel, like 400k subscribers on their channel, but I'm not even, you know, like more than 2k. Of course, you know, a lot of my friends and my family have always been super supportive, and they keep telling me like, don't give up, don't give up, this is your dream, this is your goal, keep doing what you love to do, and if you love to do it, it's not gonna be annoying, it's not gonna be bothersome. And so that's why I kind of continue to do YouTube, because even though I haven't really grown much and it's been very, you know, disappointing, I love doing this. Like this, I feel so much passion when I film and make content. And so I want to continue to do that, even if you know, my views and my subscribers aren't as, and my watch hours aren't as high as I want them to be. I realized that, you know, it's best for me to just stop comparing myself to other people, focus only on myself and my YouTube channel and my future goals and what I want to manifest in my life, and just go with it, you know. And even if I'm not seeing, you know, the numbers that I want to see now, they will become true. They will come, you know. I will get the 10K, I will get the 30K, the 100K, you know. I will get to that, you know. And so I just have to like stay positive and put myself out there and try my best. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so you guys are notified whenever I upload a video. And of course, go hit me up on my social medias. I have Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest. Literally, I pretty much have all the social media, so go check it out. And as always, take care of your health. I love you, diverse beauties, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Pasamos 2 años, nena, así que te extraño, sé que vamos a durar.